Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to effectively identify and remove duplicate topology blocks and surfaces using corner groups. Identifying duplicate topology. By mistake, you may load the same topology twice. If this is identified immediately, the duplication can be resolved with a simple undo action. However, if additional operations have been performed after loading the duplicate topology, using undo would need repeating those operations. To avoid this, we can utilize corner grouping and the remove option. Using corner groups for removal. 1. Validity topology. Check the validity of your model to confirm the presence of disjoint topologies. 2. Group corners. Add the corners assigned to a surface in group C1. Moving these grouped corners can reveal any overlapping duplicate corners. Three, isolate duplicate topology. Select another empty group, set the reference group to C1, select a single corner from the suspected duplicate blocking, set the reference group back to all, use the span out all function to select all blocks associated with duplicate topology. 4. Remove duplicate blocks. Use the remove option or hold the R key and drag a box to remove the selected duplicate blocks. 5. Ensuring the duplicate blocking is removed. Checking for any overlapping duplicate corners on the surface and clicking the validity shows us there is no duplicate disjoint topology. Removing duplicate surfaces. If duplicate surfaces exist, navigate to Delete, Surface, Unassigned to remove all assigned duplicate surfaces. This efficiently deletes non-essential surfaces which do not have any corner assignments. We hope this video helps you save time and efforts by streamlining the removal of duplicate topology elements. Thank you for watching.